Okay, now I'm going to, oh, he's doing a movie.
Yeah.
He does have a lot of toys.
Okay, now we put the stone there, and there is one. Oops, we got a whole bunch of them. We'll have to.
Oh, okay. Wow. Oh my God, this poor dog.
Now you can show the whole cup, right full of stones. I think these little ones I don't need to worry about, do you? Oh, there was a couple more big ones there that fell down. But that's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Okay. But this one wants to bleed just like the other one.
Okay. We're just going to give you a bag with a wash.
But the bladder is, so irritated. One reason why it's bleeding, so I'll just take my gut and